Hi everyone, it's Andy from Hobby Headquarters, and I'm taking a short little break from working on the DOSWorks 16 scale SDKFC 251, this one right here. As you can see, I've got the paint job on it now, so expect part 2 of the video on that very, very soon. Absolutely incredible kit right here. But today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about a company that makes just the most beautiful 3D printed resin figures, and I'm talking about H3 models. Now I have just a small little sample of some of their figures right here, but keep in mind we have a ton of this stuff on our website, andyshhq.com. In fact, yesterday I ran down to the warehouse while they were unloading some of this stuff and just filmed just a little bit of some of the things I don't have right here. So please go check out our website, andyshhq.com. You'll be able to see all of the product there. But H3 uses 3D scans, and they print out on 12K printers to just get stunning detail. The straps, the folds, everything about it is just incredible looking. Now they make a whole line of 35th scale and 16 scale figures. That's the beauty of doing the 3D scans. They can make them in 35th or blow them up to 16 scale because they're that nice on it there. So I have these few right here, and I'm going to take them over to the workbench and show you guys some of the detail on here. Also, like I said, I went down to the warehouse and I filmed a little bit of that, so you'll be able to see at least one of the motorcycle kits that they have too, because those are absolutely stunning. And those too also come in 35th scale and 16 scale. So some really, really cool looking stuff that I'm excited to go over there and show you. So let's get started. Okay, I am excited to show you these because once you see inside how incredible the detail on this, I think you're going to be won over as quickly as I was. Now, I grabbed an assortment of 16 scale and 35th scale, just a couple of each here, of the H3 models 3D printed series. One thing I should point out to you about these is these are all 3D scans. So what they do is they have guys that are in period uniforms. They use that to get a really great realistic look. They use 12K printers to print them, so the detail is just going to be absolute phenomenal. And because they're doing that with all 3D stuff, you can do things like this, where you have, this is the identical figure. You have it in 35th scale and in 16th scale. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up both of these first so you can see what we're looking at and how good the quality is on these figures. So let me move all this stuff to the side and we'll open this up. Okay, so first up is HS16007, the World War II U.S. Paratrooper Rifleman. And here he is. Look at this right here. And this is the way he basically comes. Now, he does have some attachment points, but all of this is molded as one piece. I have not glued anything together here. And take a close look at the strap. That comes that way. It's absolutely stunning. You've got detail of his 45, all the pouches that he's wearing. Nice detail on the face. And what I'm going to do too is the only piece that you have to attach is the helmet, which, oh, no, I did have it the first time. There it is right there. Isn't that absolutely incredible? And then we'll go around to the back of the soldier. You've got the canteen, little bread bag there, backpack, the folds. Look, take a look at the shoes, the laces on the shoes, and then the rifle. Rifle's nice and straight. And once again, that cord, or the strap, excuse me, the strap on it, really incredible. And look at the little ties on the side of the leg. Yeah, just an incredible 16 scale figure. Absolutely wonderful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand him up right back here. And here is the box for the other figure. And look at that. Same strap, same detail. Come around here. All the detail that was in the other figure, all done in here. This is how the helmet comes. It's on its little 3D print mounts right there. So all you have to do is snap those off. Very simple. And a side-by-side, whoop, dropped his helmet, but see what I'm talking about? Just absolutely incredible looking detail. Let's open up a few of the other ones now and let you see what those look like inside. Okay, next up, we are going to take a look at HS16056. This is the World War II German MG42 gunner. And this guy would just be incredible alongside either my new 16 scale Tiger or DOSWorks' new SDKFZ 251D. Just an incredible looking figure. And what I've done here is, this is exactly the way it is going to come out of the box. You can see that the figure, see his face is all nicely done in there. So what we have, this one has a few extra parts compared to that that other soldier, and also the MG42 is right here. It is got its little supports on it all around it, and also there is also a separate canteen. And what I'm going to do is basically just show you how easy this stuff comes off. You just basically snap it off. That little cube, little square, fits right into here, just like that. Of course, we use a little bit of glue, but his gas mask, all that is molded on there. Even that little bit of a strap right there sticking out. And look at the machine gun bullets right there. And his face, and then of course this will come off. His helmet, and look at the deep creases in those pant legs. Just incredible looking. So here it is. So here's another one of the incredible figures. This is the MG machine gunner, and I'm also going to open up the World War II German officer right now. Okay, next up we have HS16052. This is the German World War II officer, and just going to jump right in here. This, like I said, once again, is how the actual figure will come to you. This stuff right here all is supports, obviously, as they're printing it, but it also helps tremendously in transport to keep the figure protected. Now, one thing I'm going to show you right here is, you see this piece right here? This is actually the strap for the MP40. So he's going to be carrying the MP40 there with the strap on it, sticking away from his body. It's not one of those things where, oh, the strap, they molded in there, but it's not sticking out. This is the strap that actually goes to the MP40. Now, I'm not going to pull this guy off the trees like I did with the very first soldier, and that's because, like I said, it protects everything right now, and I'm not doing anything with him other than showing you guys, but you get an idea of, look at the folds. He's got the bloomer pants on, sticking out. Look at the detail. And this all comes from, like I said, using real stuff and 3D scanning it. And that's how you get all of these realistic looking folds in the boots and the pants, the jacket. Zoom in so you can get as close as can with all of the detail on everything. He's got a stick grenade shoved inside there. And I know you can't really see his face very well, but you've seen the faces on the other ones, and they're incredible looking. And there's that MP40. Very, very nice looking. One more soldier I'm going to show you in 16 scale. This is 16024. This is the Tank Commander #2. Obviously, this is going to go really well with my M4A3 EZ8 Sherman, plus a few other vehicles. I think this guy would also go with the M10. Look at that. Just beautiful. And he does have, obviously, another arm that they've done. So just a guy sitting around putting on for your tank. Great looking. And once again, remember, all of this stuff is available in 35th scale as well. There we go. So that's just a quick look at this figure. Okay, I came down to the warehouse because I heard they were unloading the new H3 product, and what I thought I would do is show you just some of it right now. They've got some more boxes they've got to get unpacked, but this will give you an idea of some of the items that will be on the internet on our website, andyshhq.com. Now, as you see, some of these 16 scale figures are going to go great with the new DOSWorks SDKFC 251. And remember, this is only part of the assortment. There's a lot more stuff going to be put on. There we go. Oh, and a little bit of the 35th scale. There is a lot more 35th scale. We ordered a lot of that, but it was only like 4 or 5 pieces in the first box. So keep an eye on our website as you'll see more and more of that stuff show up. One other one I want to point out too is this guy right here. This is a set of B-17 or just bomber crew in general in 16 scale. And I know you're probably saying, well, there's no 16 scale bomber. No, but this would make a great little, just a little vignette right out in front of your collection of B-17, B-24, B-24, whatever it is. Just 2 guys talking on a little grass field, little base, something really cool to put in your display. And then back up to this guy. This is another guy that I thought was great. He's in a running position, just a real natural looking pose. So you can go on our website, andyshhq.com right now, and all of this stuff will be up on the site. Okay guys, now I want to show you the detail in one of the motorcycle kits. Now H3 Models has 4 motorcycles out. They have 2 German, 1 British, 1 American bike. And right now we are looking at the 16 scale Zundap KS750. This is kit number 16031, as you see down here. And what I've done is I've just pulled the entire bike out and let you see the 3D printing that they've done on this and how incredible it is. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Now, obviously the trees come off pretty easy, but you can see underneath there all of the incredible detail. Look at even the spring. Very, very nice. There's the little stowage box, the wheel tread, everything on this here. So I'm gonna move back out. So this is, like I said, this is one of them. And remember, they also come in 35th scale too. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna walk to the back. They're unloading the boxes right now and putting them up on a movable cart to get put into inventory. And I'm gonna show you just a few of the items that are showing up today. Well, there you go, guys. What'd you think? Some pretty cool looking items right there, don't you think? And a lot of them are going to go good right around this 251. So, like I said, by the time you see this video, all of this product will be up on the website, andyshhq.com, if you want to check it out further over there. And hopefully within the next day or 2, I should have the rest of the 251 video done too, because it's just an incredible kit. A lot of detail, so it's taking a little bit more time than just, you know, putting together a regular kit there. So guys, I want to take this opportunity to thank you as always for watching, and please stay tuned because I have many more videos coming.